Hello, welcome back to Limited Insight. Just a quick update on the Granny Annexe build today. Sorry I haven't produced a video in quite a few weeks now. We have had a few problems with the build. When I say problems, just a lack of work really. There was nothing I could really update you on, and the jobs to do with those kind of little bitty jobs that weren't either quite finished or, you know, fairly insignificant, but nevertheless they all had to be completed. We had a few issues with the builders not turning up on site for weeks at a time, and the weeks that they did attend they'd probably just do a token day and then we wouldn't see them for a week. So it's been fairly frustrating. I would have liked to have got the final video out by now just to go through all of the costs involved and show you the finished product. Although I do now know all of the final costs, I didn't really want to just put that out there without showing the final product and, you know, what that money gets you. So as things stand today, the work is 99% complete. The only thing left to do is to render the portion of the property that isn't wood clad. So fairly small job, but requires a specialist renderer. The builder didn't want to do that. He's done absolutely everything on this project bar the electrics, but didn't feel like he wanted to do the rendering, so he's outsourced that, and that should take place this week. Fingers crossed, but I don't have an awful lot of confidence in the guy that he's bringing in, to be honest, but we'll see. Hopefully I'll be pleasantly surprised, but there may be further delays in getting the rendering done. If that's the case, I'm just going to chuck the video out anyway, regardless of it being only 99% complete. So my mother is actually living in the property. She's been living in the property for about 3 weeks now, so she's absolutely loving it. And like I say, we do now have the final costs of the building, and it does seem like pretty good value for what she's getting, what it cost us to build, the effort that we went to. All in all, seems pretty worthwhile. So you can expect to see a video within the next couple of weeks, maybe 3, just going through all of the costs. I'll break it down for you, what costs what, where the bulk of the expenses came from, that sort of thing. So yeah, so thank you for everybody that's subscribed to this channel so far. I've been getting a lot of messages regarding this particular annex project, so apologies for not getting back to a lot of you, but things in our lives have been pretty hectic of late as well, so even if I think we had been done on time, I wouldn't have had the time myself to upload videos documenting this. So, but I promise you I am going to finish this series. There will be a final video going up, and it should be a good one, but I didn't want to just chuck something out there. I wanted it to be decent, since it will be the last one of the series. So that's just a quick update on where we are. I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.